The floods in the Serbian municipality of Obrenovac heavily damaged 15-year-old Dragan's home. Where there used to be the entrance to his house, the floodwater left a gaping hole. A bookshelf, which used to be filled with books, has fallen over Dragan's bed and is now filled with mud. He shares a room with his sister and mother in a hotel that before the floods had not been open for years, but is now used as a temporary shelter for those people who do not have anywhere to go. Dragan studied for the most important school exam in Serbia, which pupils take at the end of primary school and which determines which high school they will attend, without electricity and often in impossible conditions. I really studied hard for this exam. I studied math, Serbian, physics, chemistry, history. It was really hard studying for the exam in the hotel. It is much easier at home. When Dragan and his family were evacuated from their home, the floodwater, which reached as high as 5 meters in his hometown, Dragan did not have time to pack his books and was forced to study for his exams using borrowed books. The only possession he was able to save was the medal he won in a wrestling competition. After seeing the damage since the water has receded, Dragan is ready to give up the fight. The house looks terrible now. The wall in my room has collapsed, my desk is overturned. Dragan and his family cannot return to their house as the authorities have estimated that the property is not safe and that it has to be destroyed. His mother is risking her life in order to clean and air the rooms, hoping that they will be able to live in some of the rooms in the house. Summer will soon be over and no one can tell them how long will they be allowed to remain at the hotel.
Everything is flooded. The water took it all away. They have nowhere to return to. School starts in September. They have nothing to study from. They don't have notebooks, pens. They have nothing. Everything was destroyed. Their childhoods have been destroyed. The water took everything away, flooded everything. Their house is destroyed. These are not acceptable living conditions for children.
UNICEF, in cooperation with its partners, will procure school materials for all pupils in Obrenovac. Also, UNICEF will procure needed school equipment and materials for selected preschools and schools so that children will have a place where they can play and study.